Dyson Vacuum V8 Plus Cordless. This product review is Amazon Associate, commissions earned. You find the Amazon link to the product in the video description. If you want to see more reviews like this, remember to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Feel free to like and comment. Here's a complete product analysis of the Dyson V8 Plus Cordless Vacuum, breaking down its features, performance, ease of use, and value for money. Features. The Dyson V8 Plus Cordless Vacuum is a mid-range model in Dyson's lineup, balancing powerful performance with user-friendly design. Its key features include cord-free convenience. Completely cordless, it eliminates the hassle of plugging and unplugging while moving between rooms. Up to 40 minutes of runtime. Delivers fade-free suction for up to 40 minutes in standard mode, less with motorized tools. Powerful V8 motor. Dyson's digital motor spins up to 110,000 RPM, creating powerful suction for its class. Motor bar cleaner head. Engineered with stiff nylon bristles and anti-tangle technology to deep clean carpets and remove pet hair. 2-in-1 functionality quickly converts into a handheld vacuum for furniture, cars, or stairs. Whole machine HEPA filtration captures 99.99% of microscopic particles as small as 0.3 microns, expelling cleaner air. One-click ejection. Hygienic dirt ejection system allows for hands-free bin emptying. Wall-mountable charging dock stores and charges the vacuum conveniently when not in use. Performance. The Dyson V8 Plus is known for its consistent suction and versatility across floor types. Hard floors performs excellently on wood, tile, and vinyl, picking up fine dust and larger debris efficiently. Carpets. While not as powerful as the V10 or V15 on thick carpets, it still does a solid job for everyday cleaning on low to medium pile rugs. Pet hair. A standout in this category. Thanks to its motor bar head, it easily lifts embedded fur without tangling. Battery life. Real-world runtime averages around 30 to 35 minutes on standard mode and about 7 minutes on max mode, which is sufficient for most apartments and small homes. Noise. Quieter than older Dyson models, though still noticeable on max mode. Ease of use. User experience is a strong suit of the V8 Plus. Lightweight design, weighing around 5.75 pounds, 2.6 kilograms, it's easy to lift, maneuver, and carry upstairs. Trigger-activated power only runs when you hold the trigger, saving battery but potentially tiring for longer sessions. Tool versatility comes with several attachments depending on the bundle, like a crevice tool, soft dusting brush, and mini motorized tool. Ideal for detailed cleaning. Maintenance requires occasional filter washing and bin emptying, both of which are straightforward. Storage. Wall-mounted dock keeps it tidy and always charged. Value for money. For a vacuum priced just over $300 or approximately $3,500 to $4,000 SEK. Pros. Premium build quality and suction power. Excellent for pet owners and allergy sufferers. Cordless freedom and convenient docking. High resale value and brand trust. Cons. Shorter battery life on max mode. No LED headlights or advanced digital displays found in newer models. Pricier than competing stick vacuums with similar specs from other brands. Verdict. Great value for small to medium-sized homes, especially if you prioritize brand reliability, HEPA filtration, and easy usability. It's not the cheapest cordless vacuum, but you're paying for solid engineering and dependable performance.